Alam nyo, nakaka-frustrate talaga yung feeling na nag-gym ka, pero bawat tingin mo sa salamin, mapapatanong ka, may nangyayari ba talaga? Let me tell you guys that muscle growth is slow. Unlike fat loss, nakita mo pagbagsak ng timbang mo weekly, muscle growth happens gradually. Kaya maraming nagkikwit ng maaga, hindi nila nakikita yung obvious results. Kaya they assume na walang nangyayari. If ganito yung na-experience mo, huwag ka mag-alala. The science shows that there are several signs na nag-a-adapt yung katawan mo before noticeable visual changes appear. Sa previous video, pinag-usapan natin paano lumalaki ang muscle. Pero in this video, pag-uusapan natin yung 10 science-backed signs na nagbe-build ka ng muscle. The first sign is simple. You are getting stronger. If your presses went from example 25 kilo each arm for 10 reps to 30 kilo for 8 to 10 reps, merong improvement. Hindi lahat alam to, pero strength gains and muscle growth or hypertrophy are related but somewhat different processes. Meaning, pwede ka lumakas pero hindi necessarily lalakas muscles mo. Pag nagsisimula ka pa lang, your muscles hindi kasi agad yan lalaki. Your nervous system is simply getting better at using the muscle you already have kahit maliit. Kung consistent ka long term sa pagbubuhat ng mabigat, ganyan lumalaki ang muscles natin. Kaya huwag kayo madidishearten sa simula. Kahit na sabihin yung lumakas kayo, pero visually, hindi nyo pa nakikita. You are on the right track. You just need more time. Sabihin natin, nagsa-squat ka 60 kilo by 8 reps. A few months later, 60 kilo, same weight by 12 reps. The weight did not change. Pero yung performance mo significantly nag-improve. This suggests na nag-adapt yung muscles mo. Mas kaya na niya i-sustain yung force output for longer periods. In practical terms, more reps with the same weight usually means you are building strength, work capacity, and often muscle mass. Kaya minsan, kung nakakahit ka ng plateau sa weight and hindi nyo na mabuhat yung next weight, pwede nyong idaan sa reps. Pag-usapan natin ang soreness, DOMS, or delayed onset muscle soreness. Typically, nag-a-appear to 24 to 72 hours after training. Ito yung feeling na sobrang sakit ng katawan mo after magbuhat. Remember, this is important, soreness is not required for growth. You can absolutely build muscle without getting sore. Pero yung mild soreness after a challenging workout can possibly indicate na your muscles experienced a demanding stimulus. Again, hindi siya yung ultimate sign na tama yung ginawa mo, but somewhat good sign ito na na-work mo yung targeted muscle, lalo na kung beginner ka. Yung repair process is part of adaptation. Lagi ka namang sore, yung tipong hindi ka makarecover ng maayos, hindi rin to optimal. This is one of the most reliable signs. Pwede mo i-measure yung arms, chest, shoulders, thighs every few weeks. If nag-iiba yung measurements while body fat or even weight remains relatively the same, magandang sign to. Muscle tissue is being added. Similar din dito yung damit. Pag sumisikip sa arms, sa shoulders, sa lats, habang in a way maintained pa rin yung smaller waist, good sign to. Truth be told, yung mirror, scale weight, measuring tape, and even yung fit ng clothes, these can all be deceiving pa rin. So take these with a grain of salt. And mas effective sila combined. Madalas maraming nagpapanik pag umakyat yung timbang nila. Pero kailangan ito for muscle growth. Lalo na kung beginner ka. Imagine, nag-gain ka 3 kilograms over several months. Pero yung waist mo, the same. Body fat looks similar. Possible nga na mas lean ka pa tingnan at a heavier weight. That's often a sign that you are gaining lean mass rather than mostly fat. Ang mahirap sa muscle growth kasi di mo talaga siya mapapansin agad, lalo na visually. May times na nakikita mo siya sa scale bago sa salamin, and in a way, misleading ng konti. Subtle sign ito pero it makes sense kasi 'di ba, building muscle requires energy. Para makabuild ng bagong muscle tissue, kailangan mo i-fuel yung katawan mo. Pag lumaki ka or lumalaki ka, nagkakaroon ng bagong demand yung katawan mo. Muscle protein synthesis is a metabolically expensive process. Pag lumalakas ka and tumataas training volume mo, mas malaki rin yung hinihingi ng katawan mo sa'yo. You will need to fuel your body with sufficient calories and protein. The bigger you get, mas mataas din ang recovery demands. Kaya normal na mas gutom and mas inaantok. Pero being hungry does not always and automatically mean na you're building muscle. Kailangan pa rin ng hard quality training para mag-adapt yung katawan mo. Favorite ito ng mga new lifters. To be honest, kahit naman yata sino gustong-gusto yung pump. Tipong sana yung pump look yung itsura all the time. A pump occurs when blood, fluid, and nutrients flood the working muscle. Yun yung nagbibigay ng fullness na look. Pansin nyo, kapag hindi kayo nag-carbs or puyat kayo, mas masama yung pump. Habang tumatagal and tumataas ang training experience natin, you will notice na mas full yung pumps or mas ramdam mo talaga. Now, yung pumps don't directly equal growth. Pero it's a good sign na lumalaki yung muscle mo. Kung before, walang pumps or minimal lang, baka kasi maliit lang talaga yung muscle. Tapos, bigla ngayon, mas maganda pakiramdam and visually, mas nakikita mo difference. Then, sign na yun. Think of it as clue siya na mayroong meaningful adaptations na nangyayari. Pag complete beginner, medyo may struggle to feel the target muscle working. Naalala ko dati, chest pressing felt like a tricep workout. Mas nararamdaman ko siya sa triceps. Back day felt like bicep day kasi yung arms ko yung nag-a-attack, hindi yung likod ko. Siyempre, naayos ko rin yung form and technique ko over time. Pero habang tumatagal, your nervous system becomes more efficient. You develop better neuromuscular control. You can intentionally recruit and contract specific muscles more effectively and mas na-flex mo na yung tamang muscle. Research shows that improved muscle activation may enhance the hypertrophic stimulus of certain exercises. Kumbaga, mas magaling ka na when it comes to making the muscles do the work. Usually, sa mga beginner, when they do actual hard sets, sobrang ramdam na nila yung pagod and fatigue. Isa pa tong subtle sign. Pag masanay ka, pwedeng mas maiksi na talaga yung rest time mo. Kasi over time, nag-a-adapt yung katawan mo. Muscles improve their ability to store glycogen, utilize oxygen, and clear fatigue-producing metabolites. Again, the more na masanay yung muscles mo, mas mabilis ang rest time na kailangan in between set. Hindi ito visual sign, but more of performance sign. And finally, ang pinaka-obvious na sign, mas mukha kang batak. Yung shoulders mo, mas bumibilog. Yung chest mo, mas puno. Yung braso, kumakapal. Yung legs mo, lumalaki. Or mas maganda yung shape. Ang muscle hypertrophy literally means an increase in muscle fiber size. At some point, magiging visible yung increase na yan. Pero tandaan nyo, the mirror is not always the best tool. Kaya gamitin nyo in combination with your scale weight, your body fat percent, your measurements, and fit ng clothes. So, ano yung biggest takeaway dito? Huwag kang mag-rely sa isang sign lang. Hindi lang scale weight, hindi lang mirror, hindi lang soreness. Kasi individually, pwede silang maging misleading. Pwede kang lumakas, pero hindi pa gaanong lumalaki. Pwedeng sumakit yung katawan mo, pero hindi naman optimal yung training mo. Pwede ring tumaas timbang mo dahil sa water weight. Maraming factors talaga. Kaya look at the bigger picture. Kung na-experience nyo iba sa 10 signs na sinabi ko, then chances are, mataas ang possibility na nagbe-build ka ng muscle. Remember, muscle growth is a slow process. Hindi mo mapapansin in a few days, hindi mo nga mapapansin in a few weeks. Pero after a few months of doing the right things consistently, bigla mo na lang ito mapapansin. Also, before I forget, huwag mo masyadong i-compare yung sarili mo sa nakikita mo online. Kasi kanya-kanyang journey ito. And maraming nadidishearten dahil sa comparison. So trust the process, train hard, eat enough protein, recover properly, and most importantly, stay consistent. Because at the end of the day, consistency beats perfection and intensity every single time. Kung may natutunan kayo sa video na ito, comment down below kung alin sa 10 signs na ito ang pinaka napansin nyo sa sarili nyo. And if you want more science-based fitness content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.